Hi guys, just a quick one on how to make the background of a picture transparent. So you want to find your picture and right click and edit with Paint 3D. Cool. Whoa. So click Magic Select, make sure the whole picture is selected, click Next, and now you can add and remove whatever pieces of the picture you think should be in the cutout. So I'm going to remove this a little bit. Cool. This here. Then round the thumb. Looks better, right? Click done. And now what I like to do is I make a sticker, and then I go over to my brush and just erase everything. Takes a bit of guts. Now you go to your stickers and you got your perfect cutout. There you go. You can change the background if you want. Get green. Okay, well this one, the thumb looks a little bit whack. Can definitely fix that. Anyway, file, save as, image, done. There it is.